Get this on video, bro. Okay, so every single day, these bees, like, it's usually just a couple bees, bro, making this nest, right? Let me try to open my window and let me try to keep the camera steady for y'all. What the? Whoa. Yo. Look at those bees. What are they doing? They're going into the ground, bro. They're going under that. Look at them all go in there. Dude, this is like the bee headquarters. Look, they're all in the fucking... They're on the ground and stuff too over there. Look at them walking around over there. What in tarnation? Bro, I could make that thing turn on right now. If I turn my air on, oh my god, I gotta go turn my air off. Wait a minute, you guys. Oh, hold on a second. Sorry for the camera shake. I just need to make sure my air wasn't gonna turn on. And whoa, hey, is that the freaking queen right here on my windowsill? Who's this? Bro, you look injured. Are you injured, bro? Go on, homie, you can make it. You're almost there. Go to the headquarters, bruh. You almost there, dog. Go to the headquarters, bro. You're going. You can't fly, but you can walk. Go. Go. Alright, we'll keep an update on that guy. Yo, holy shit. I don't even know if you guys can see what I'm seeing right now. Look at all of those bees. Dude, and they're all just walking into that thing. Look at them all just funneling into that. There is probably the coolest bee's nest inside of that thing right there. There is probably the coolest bee's nest inside that thing right there. There is probably the coolest bee's nest inside that thing right there. Or underground. No, what are you doing back here, bro? You're going the wrong way, dude. What are you doing back here? You want to come through this hole in my screen? Is that what it is? What are you doing, bro? You're going the wrong way. He's dumbfounded. Where is he going, bro? What the fuck? Let's zoom back in. Wow. Wow. I mean, let me zoom out a little bit and try to wow. Look at that. Every day it's just been a few bees flying to that location and then flying away, flying back, like planes coming out of an airport, just all day. But I mean, this is every bee I've seen for the last couple days. They're all in one spot. I thought it was just a few bees. Like, this is an entire bee colony right outside my window. I'm gonna zoom in closer for you. Wow. Look at them all. I don't hear a single sound. They're not making any buzzing or anything. I'm not close enough to hear any buzzing. Wow. Wait, one of them's carrying something, dude. Yep, he went under there just now. I don't know if you guys saw that same guy I did. What the hell? Look at them. This is the most wicked thing I've probably ever seen. Should I try to zoom in closer? Like, try to see inside the entrance? Like, look at that. They're just going right under. Look at that. Oh, they're coming back out as well. I mean, have you ever seen anything like this? Have you guys ever seen anything like this? Like, have you ever seen anything like this? Like, I've seen bees and I've seen a beehive, but I've never seen hundreds of bees funneling into like a structure, like a man-made structure, just funneling into it. I mean, I've seen bees flying around a basketball hoop. I've seen bees, you know, you've seen a couple wasps like go into the side of a house or whatever. You ain't never seen this. Look at them all. Dude, they just keep going. Are they coming back out? Is it... like, what's happening right there? Oh, that thing just turned on. I just realized that just kicked on. Somebody turned their air on. They're in a frenzy now. Yep, someone just made that turn on. Now they're all like, what the fuck, bruh? Oh wait, no, it's not even that turned on. It was the thing next to it. Dude. Look at those bees. I mean, I'm looking through a screen, my screen window, so my camera quality's not really that good. But like, whoa, are they fighting? Are they fighting right there outside that door? What the hell is going on right there? Wait, are they going into the ground as well? Wait, it looks like they're crawling into the ground as well right there in between them two rocks. Look, they're going down into the ground. They are. They're going down into the ground. Look at right there. They're going down into the ground. In between those two rocks. Holy shit, they're going down into the ground. Dude, look at them all. What? They're actually going into the ground. This whole time I thought they were going into that thing. They're not. They're coming out of that. Or they're like using it as a side entrance or something. This is so crazy. They said, fuck building a hive up in the treetops, bro. We going underground with the shit. These guys probably think I'm a psychopath because I'm filming bees. Yeah, well, it's not my fault it's interesting. I mean, I've never fucking seen bees do this. I'd film this if it was any insect doing this. If I saw fucking ants funneling in like this, I'd be like, what the fuck? Where'd that one bee go, I wonder? Dude, who knows? Look at that entrance right there. I'll get you a little closer. That's the entrance right there. There they go. I mean, dude, this is hundreds of bees funneling into one singular entrance and coming out of the entrance. It looks like the ones that come out of the entrance immediately go underneath that structure right there. See that? The ones that are coming out of the ground are going into that structure. And the ones that are arriving to the entrance are showing up from the sky over here. Like planes at a fucking runway. How long will they do this? What is this for? Are they at war with something underground? Is that where they live? Like, imagine if they're going to war with something right now and they're just underground fucking it up. Fucking up an ant colony or something. Like, brother. I mean, what eats bees, dude? Like, if I was something that ate bees, like, do birds eat bees or whatever? Like, if I was a bird, bro, I'd be over here munching. I'd be like, holy snap, guys, it's an all-you-can-eat buffet. I mean, what's going on to the side here? There's like some bee activity off to the side, like... Look at this bee activity. There's like ground troops as well. Where'd they go? He's right there. Look at them. Are they fighting? Oh, look at this guy. Oh, I couldn't get him. He saw me and got scared. He's probably thinking the same thing. He's like, what? He's like, what's with all the bees? I don't know, dude. Thinking the same sheesh. Is that gnarly or what? Dude, this bee army could take over the fucking world. Excuse my language. I mean, if this bee army could think and plan things... I mean, I guess one good spray of some kind of poison would kill this whole bee army, but... I mean, holy snap, dude, like... They look like fighter planes, or like... They just look like they're at war with something. Like they're all just showing up like drones. Walking into the ground, fucking something up, and then walking out under here. I mean, have you literally ever seen that many bees in one spot ever in your entire life? That's a big ass bee right there out on the edge. Whoa, those were some big bees. Brother, man. I mean, are these even fucking bees? What are you people? Dude, what if the government had drones that were the size of these bees? Like, what if you had a micro drone army? It would probably never be smart. It would never be as smart as these bees. Your drone army could never do whatever the fuck these bees are doing. I mean, they're like drilling into... Maybe they're drilling. Like each bee's taking a piece of dirt out and they're like digging. This might be how bees dig. It doesn't even look like they're going that far down in. There's just something right there behind those rocks. Should I walk out there? No, I can't disturb what they're doing. I got a headache. I should end this video. I just wanted to show you guys what's going on outside my window, because I'm like, what? Because usually it's literally just like 6 or 7 bees. And they just fly in and fly out, and I'm like, oh, that's cool. But this is like 60 or 70 bees. Uh-oh, one of them just got really close to my screen. I didn't like that. They're beginning to realize they're being observed. It's the observer effect. Alright, my knees hurt. And my phone's probably about to die from making a video, because, you know, you can't do one thing on these smartphones without them dying. But there it is, man. The weirdest thing I've ever seen bees do. That is so many bees. And I just can't believe they're going into the ground. Right there, between those two rocks. They're either going into the ground or just repeatedly stinging something. I can't see though. I'm about to go out there. I don't know. I'll keep you guys updated. Oh my god, there's a top to this with a cage in it. I bet I could see down in there. Oh my god. I'll keep you guys updated. Goodbye.